Ridge is how you can tell the value story in your data without being an expert, and how you can share that story with your audiences in a way that is performant and beautiful. Every ridge is designed to be embedded, and it's interactive natively, so you can touch the data and get answers, or use traditional modes like filters. Every ridge has a data agent that lets you ask long-tail questions, and it's this data agent that keeps your audience from having to request dashboard after dashboard. When you get answers in the data agent, you can link them to the dashboard so that you can use the native interactivity in the dashboard with your data agent. You used to have to be an expert to create a dashboard like this, but at Ridge we let you speak in business terms. Just select the data that you want to work with. You'll get an interactive preview, and you can create a new dashboard. Ridge's build agent will ask you for any context. In this case, we'll just build. Now, the build agent has already inspected the data and understands that this is about product usage, so it's suggesting some possible goals. But I want to understand adoption by department. Given that, the build agent's going to suggest ways I might want to measure that. Duration of each action, proportion that has succeeded. Let me get some more suggestions. Total actions, and I'm interested in distinct users as well. Finally, the build agent is going to come back and suggest questions that the dashboard should answer. I can modify those suggestions or get more anytime I want. Once I've told the build agent my purpose and what I'm trying to see, the build agent's going to come back with filters and headline numbers specific to my questions. It's going to give me a dashboard that works out of the gate for my purpose, is interactive. I could modify this by adding color, changing titles, moving things around. And I can even see what my end users will see in the data agent. Now I can take this dashboard and embed it in my product or anywhere on the web for my audience to have a beautiful and performant experience that I don't have to manage. Ridge manages the deployment, refreshes data, and partitions data so that you can stick to the story in your business and tell your audience about the value.